Good morning, kids. What a beautiful day it is, isn't it? Okay, so shall we start the session? Today in this session, we are going to learn the concept of before numbers. In our previous sessions, we have already covered after numbers and between numbers. Now, today we are going to learn the concept of before numbers. Okay, so here I have few blocks. Okay, and now you look from your side, left side. This is your left side. Okay, now if I start from here, okay, and I am asking you which block is before yellow block, what will you answer? The position of yellow block is here. We are starting from here. Okay, and then I am asking which block is before yellow block. So your answer will be green block. Green block is before the yellow block, right? You can see the position again. We are starting from left, your left, and we are going like this. Okay, so before yellow, which block is coming? Green, right? So green block is coming before yellow block. Okay, now now here we have 4 blocks. Now I am asking which block is before blue block. Okay, so this is blue block. We are starting from here like this. We are going, okay, and this is blue block. Now which block is before blue block? What will you answer? Red block. Okay, red block is before blue block. It is coming early, right? It is coming early. The blue block is coming later. Red is coming early than blue block. So the red block is before the blue block. Okay. Now we can again do it with the help of blocks. Now again here we have 4 blocks. Okay, we will start from red one. Now which block is before blue block? Okay, which block is before blue block? So blue block is this one, right? This is blue block. Now I am asking which block is before blue block. So we are starting from here, going like this, and which block is coming early than the blue block? The purple block, right? The purple block is before the blue block, right? Blue block is this. The purple block is before the blue block, right? Now I have 3 animals: elephant, tiger and zebra. Okay, now which animal is before elephant? Okay, so this is elephant. We are going from here. We are going from zebra. We will start from zebra, and then I am asking which animal is before elephant. So which animal is standing before elephant? Tiger, right? We are going from here, and tiger is standing just before the elephant, right? Right? Tiger is coming just early than the elephant. So tiger is standing just before the elephant. Okay? Now here we have 4 animals: chimpanzee, deer, bear and lion. Now you need to tell me which animal is standing just before bear. This is bear, okay? Which animal is standing just before deer? So, just before bear, okay? So we are starting from here, from chimpanzee. We are going like this, and I am asking which animal is standing just before bear. This is bear, okay? So we are going like this, and this. We have reached to bear. Now we have crossed which one? Which animal just came before the bear? Deer, right? So deer is standing just before the bear, right? Okay, I hope you are getting the concept. Now let's do it with the help of number cards, okay? Here we have 4 cards. Okay, this is the sequence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now which number is before number 3? So first tell me, where is number 3? We are going from 1, 2, 3. This is number 3, right? Now which number is just before number 3? Number 2. So number 2 is just before number 3, right? 1, 2, 3. When we reach to 3, we cross number 2, right? So number 2 is just before number 3. Okay. Now we have these numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which number is just before number 4? So first look, where is number 4? Number 4, right? Now which number is just before number 4? We will start from here. 3, 4. We have reached to 4. Now we have crossed which number? Before reaching to 4, we have crossed which number? Number 3. So number 3 is before number 4, right? Number 3 is just before number 4. Now let's see. We have 4 cards, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now which number is before number 9? Which number is before number 9? So where is number 9? Number 9. Okay. And which number is coming just before number 9? 6, 7, 8 and 9. So when you reach to number 9, you have crossed which number? Number 8. So number 8 comes before number 9. Right? Number 8 comes before number 9. Okay. Now, as you have understood the concept, let's do it in a different way. Now, here is number 2. Now, you need to tell me which number comes before number 2. So, here we have number 2 and you need to tell me which number comes before 2. So, we will start counting from 1. 1, 2. So when we reach to number 2, we have just crossed which number? Number 1. So number 1 comes before number 2. Right? Number 1 comes before number 2. Okay. Now I have number 3. Now you need to tell me which number comes before number 3. Here is number 3. Which number comes before number 3? So what we will do? We will start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3. So we have reached to number 3. And we have crossed which number? 1, 2, 3. Number 2. So number 2 comes before number 3. Right? Number 2 comes before number 3? Now we have number 4. Now you need to tell me which number comes before number 4. So what you need to do, you will start from 1, will reach to number 4 and will tell me you cross which number to reach to number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you reach number 4, which number comes just before number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Right? So number 3 comes before number 4. Right? This way you can practice the concept of before number. So first of all, with the help of your toys, you can practice the position of, to understand the position of before, you can play with the help of your toys, your blocks, your cars or a few other objects. First understand the before concept. Then with the help of numbers, practice the concept of before numbers, at which number comes just before this said number. Okay, like we have 5. So if I ask which numbers comes before number 5, so what you are going to do, you will start counting from 1, and when you will reach 5, you will see which number you just crossed to reach to number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So when you reach number 5, you cross number 4. So number 4 comes before number 5. This way you can practice the concept of before numbers. Okay, take care.